Our company presents to your attention a set of equipment that allows you to load bulk materials from wagons with bottom and side unloading into sea containers of big bags. A distinctive feature of the complex is the presence of a rolling module in its composition, which allows unloading the car without using an intermediate hopper. This allows unloading a car without a pit, a special sculpture that usually used when unloading a train, as well as when it's not possible to equip pits with some sections of layerway tracks. The rolling module is controlled by the operator using the remote control. The module can be moved left and right with the help of wheels, and up and down with the help to hydraulic cylinders. Moreover, the movement is done separately in the front and rear parts, which allows you to very accurately lift. The rolling module consists of 3 loading and 1 collecting conveyors. When unloading a car, the material through a loading conveyor enters the connecting conveyor. Then through an inclined conveyor, the material enters the bucket elevator, which in turn feeds in for packing into the decided type of containers. Material is loaded into shipping containers using a telescopic conveyor. The boom of the conveyor enters the container and fills it. As the container is loading, the telescopic boom of the conveyor moves back to its extreme position until it is fully loaded. For purely bulk materials, vibropneumatic unloaders are used, which are supplied to the car, and by acting on the car, they help the outflow of material to the loading conveyors. The loading conveyors are equipped with sideboards and a tailgate, which eliminates spillage of material to the ground. The presented complex allows packing containers with a capacity of up to 2,000 tons per hour and packing bags of big bag type up to 90 tons per hour. The basis for packing containers is a telescopic conveyor with a retractable boom, with the help of which at high speed the material is thrown onto the far wall of the container. Weight control at the installation is carried out using a scale for weighing containers. The feed rate of the material is controlled by the speed for rotation of the loading conveyors installed under the hubs of the car, while the collecting and inclined conveyors, including the bucket elevator, rotate at a constant speed. Thanks to the flexible control algorithm of the telescopic loader on this installation, you can load 20 and 40-foot sea containers for maximum weights. The use of this complex allows you to quickly unload the wagon and with maximum weight accuracy carry out packing of containers or bags of big bag type with a wagon capacity. Our company thanks you for watching this video and will be glad to cooperate with you.